Right then, welcome to the channel everybody. I'm going to be making a whistle. It's going to be a standard whistle that you can anybody can make. You need a stick. Hopefully it's dry, not necessarily, it can be anything. 9mm drill, 9mm dowel. If you don't have 9mm, whatever size dowel you use the same size drill. You don't want it to go all the way through, that's what I'm saying. Usually you can mark this with tape. This is probably 2.5 inches. So we're going to do this in the centre, roughly in the centre. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. So here we go. Drill out the centre, like so. See that? Doesn't even have to be in the centre. Now I'm going to cut a line down there straight, about halfway through the hole. So to do that, I'm going to do it on a scroll saw. You can use any saw that you want. You probably can't see that line very clearly, that line there. That's where I've cut through. Now I'm going to do a 45-degree angle to meet it. And that piece just comes out like that. Okay? And as you can see there, you can see the hole that I drilled through there. Okay? Now, what I need to do now is get the dowel, put the dowel into the hole, which is a nice tight fit. What we need to do now is, on one side only of this dowel, we need to make a flat spot. You can do that with a knife, with a saw, any way that you want to. For this I'm going to choose a knife. Quite simply, you just one side of it, just like that. Do it that way as well. Okay, so you've ended up with a shape like that. Then we're going to place it into the stick with that side facing upwards, with the one that you flattened on the top, up to that point. Obviously this is much too long, and you blow like that. You're going to have to cut that off, glue it in, then cut that off. So you apply some glue just to the bottom, put that in there, and there's your whistle.